Let's dive in and figure out which of these tools truly stands out in the crowded world of landing page builders. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, you've likely heard about both of these options. But which one really delivers the best results for your business? Stay tuned as we break down the pros and cons, and by the end, I'll tell you which one I personally recommend. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Elementor, arguably one of the most popular page builders out there, has a pretty intuitive interface. Drag and drop functionality makes it easy for beginners to get started, even without a lot of web design experience. That said, Elementor does have a bit of a learning curve if you want to get into the nitty-gritty details. It's definitely not as simple as some would like it to be. On the other hand, Thrive Architect doesn't have the same level of recognition as Elementor, but it's a strong contender. The interface isn't as polished as Elementor's, but it's still user-friendly and quick to grasp. What sets Thrive Architect apart is its focus on conversion-driven features. While Elementor focuses on visual design, Thrive Architect gives you a lot of tools designed specifically for optimizing your landing pages for conversions, like built-in A/B testing and lead generation elements. Next thing, let's discuss templates. Elementor has a massive library of pre-designed templates, which can save you a lot of time if you're working on multiple projects. They're well-designed and customizable, giving you the flexibility to tweak things to your liking. Thrive Architect doesn't have the same volume of templates, but it's more focused on the ones they do have. You won't get as much variety, but what you get is often more targeted at conversions, which could be a big plus depending on your goals. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Elementor offers a free version, but many of the features that could be game changers for a landing page builder are locked behind the Pro version, which can feel a bit steep. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, is a premium product with no free version, but it does offer a one-time payment option, which might be more appealing to some users than paying yearly subscriptions. However, it's still on the pricier side when compared to other builders. Then, let's talk about performance. Both Elementor and Thrive Architect are optimized for speed, but Elementor can be a bit more resource-heavy at times, especially with larger, more complex pages. Thrive Architect is known for being lighter on resources, which could be a benefit for those who care about load times and site performance. The next thing worth mentioning is customer support. Elementor offers decent support through its community forums and documentation, but if you're looking for more hands-on help, it can sometimes take a while to get a response. Thrive Architect's customer support, on the other hand, has a reputation for being more responsive. They offer a comprehensive knowledge base and have a solid reputation for quick assistance. Finally, let's address the question of which tool is better overall. Both Elementor and Thrive Architect are solid choices, but if you're serious about conversions and lead generation, Thrive Architect might have the edge. The focus on performance, optimization, and built-in tools for A/B testing gives it a leg up for those who prioritize results over aesthetics. That being said, both tools are definitely worth considering. But after trying both myself and weighing the pros and cons, if you want a better alternative for your landing page goals, I recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial of the best option I found. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your landing pages to the next level.